about you? How's the ride?
Quite good. Got scammed, but
Yeah, we all
at
got
least it's fun.
scammed.
At least it's fun.
Why do you think so? Why do you think so?
Why do I think what?
Yeah, that you got scammed.
Oh. Because this is too nice of a boat. I was expecting a floating plank.
Yeah.
It takes you the same way for much cheaper. Ah, damn, I really wanted to go on one of those.
Oh, that was.
Yeah, so many times. It's so much fun, I love it. I went with my girlfriend and she sat in the back.
How did you
That is
get there?
terrifying.
Oh.
To sit in the back apparently is terrifying.
I have some people who use that.
Really?
These are some for jet ski or something?
Yeah, jet ski. Have you been?
No, I haven't seen that in the movies.
Come on, you should definitely try some.
Yeah, but in India we don't have these. Like in India, I have not seen.
Oh, you do.
Where?
I've done this in Goa.
Goa. I have not been to Goa. I have not been to Goa.
Yeah, good. This is the good life.